Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about Norma verticalis. We will start our topic with introduction. Norma verticalis refers to the superior view of skull showcasing the cranial vault and its suture. And here is the diagrammatic representation of Norma verticalis. It provides insight into the structural relationship between frontal, parietal and occipital bone. Talking about anatomy of Norma verticalis consists of several distinct regions. They are bone, visible and sutures we will talk about, and then we will talk about the key features. Key features of Norma verticalis include vertex, that is the highest point of skull along the sagittal suture. It also includes bregma, that is the junction of coronal and sagittal suture, and lambda, that is the junction of sagittal suture and lambdoid suture. It also has parietal eminence, that is the most convex part of the parietal bone, and parietal foramina, that are small opening near the sagittal suture for emissary veins. Now we will talk about the bones visible from Norma verticalis, and then we will talk about the sutures of Norma verticalis, as they are really important. First we will talk about the bone visible from Norma verticalis. They are frontal bone that forms the anterior part of skull, and parietal bone that are the pair bone forming the lateral aspect of cranial vault and superior aspect of cranial vault. And they also include occipital bone that located posteriorly contributing to the skull base. Now we will talk about the sutures of Norma verticalis. They include coronal suture that separates the frontal bone from the parietal bone, sagittal suture that run along the midline separating the two parietal bone, and lambdoid suture that is located posteriorly separating the occipital bone from the parietal bone, and metopic suture that is sometimes present and it is found in infants separating the two halves of the frontal bones. Now let's talk about the functions of Norma verticalis. Structural support, it forms the protective covering for the brain. Muscle attachment, as it provides encourage for scalp muscle. Neurovascular passage, as it contains foramina for veins and arteries. And now let's talk about the clinical significance of Norma verticalis. The first is skull fracture, as trauma to Norma verticalis can affect brain function. Surgical modification, as it is often involved in neurosurgical procedures. And fontanelles in infant, the anterior and posterior fontanelles close at different developmental stages, and this helps in assessing the age of the skull, and also to detect if there is an abnormality in skull structure. Now let's talk about the conclusion of this video. Norma verticalis provide a comprehensive view of the cranial vault, highlighting key anatomical features essential for medical studies and healthcare application. So thank you for watching. Hopefully you like the video. If you do, don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Thank you for watching.